Alright, so let's see how to write with the fountain pen. When you write with the fountain pen, you have to make sure that the nib stay face to face with the paper, because if you turn it, the nib won't slide smoothly on the paper, and you will feel that it scratch the paper, and also the ink doesn't flow. It will cut when you write. So you have to make sure that the nib stay in the same position. Okay, even though when you write you may have an angle for the letters, especially if you're practicing calligraphy. In calligraphy, there is a certain angle for the letters to be respected, something like this. And when you're writing and trying to respect the angle, somehow, without knowing, the nib of the pen turn toward that angle, especially when you starting, and when you realize that the nib is not facing the paper, and then you try to come back to the same position, especially if you are a beginner, your tendency will like write straight, because when you think that the nib has to be face to face with the paper, somehow the hand try to be on the straight position, even though you should be writing on that angle. So it takes practice to learn to write in the angle that is supposed to be writing, right, without turning the nib. And so those are the things, the basic things concerning the position of the nib. There are other things that when you practice calligraphy, you have to learn about calligraphy, but that's another subject. Calligraphy is another subject. Here we are talking about the position of the nib, not talking about calligraphy. But when you write or practice calligraphy, there is an angle, and that angle somehow influence your hand to move the nib toward that angle. And as I said, the nib has to be face to face with the paper. Okay, and that's the practice that you have to do in order to keep the nib face to face, even though you are writing in an angle. Okay, so that's for now for the position of the nib. Make sure that you don't turn it, because if you turn it, it won't write. See, and you feel that it scratch the paper. But if you put it on the right position, the ink flow without any issue, because it's face to face with the paper. See? Also, when you're writing with the fountain pen, try to go slow. Try to do the letters slowly. If you try to write, or if you need to write quickly, I think the fountain pen is not the ideal. When you write with the fountain pen, you have to write it slowly to nicely do the shape of the letters. It takes practice. So that's all I have for this video. If you find it interesting, please like it and share it with your friend. Also subscribe to get the next videos. Thank you.